All right, thanks so much, Deandro. Meantime, random COVID-19 testing is to be implemented in schools across Barbados when students and teachers return to face-to-face learning on Monday, February 21st. While vaccination against the virus will not be necessary, Chief Education Officer Dr. Ramona Archer Bradshaw said testing is one of the measures being introduced as part of the roadmap created by officials for the safe, effective, and efficient phased reopening of schools. Now, speaking at a televised press conference on Tuesday night, she said all students will have to be seated 3 feet apart in classrooms and wear face masks, although they will be allowed mask breaks. Sanitizing stations will also be in place at all schools.
We also want to conduct random testing for students and for staff across nursery, primary, and secondary schools. I must say at this time that the random testing will not occur during the first week or the second week. We are awaiting the swabs, and as soon as we receive the swabs and training has taken place, the random testing will occur. For students, we require parental consent, and the parental consent forms will be made available.
And Chief Medical Officer Dr. Kenneth George sought to assure that testing will be non-invasive and done in a professional manner. He suggested that it was unlikely that children would contract COVID-19 at school.
Transmission in schools is an unlikely event. Transmission is more likely to occur in your homes, where people socialize and where people live. Based on the protocols, the Ministry of Health strongly believes that schools are relatively safe environments for learning. And once the protocols are adhered to, there shall be no mass spread of COVID or Omicron for that matter in schools.
The Chief Medical Officer said the Pan American Health Organization, the World Health Organization, UNICEF, and local pediatricians had supported the approach being taken to getting children back into their classrooms. And